Welcome. Today you are invited into a healing space where the intelligence of the body, the field of awareness, and the quantum potential of transformation converge. Let yourself get comfortable now, either laying down or seated in stillness. Closing your eyes gently, take a slow, deep breath in through the nose or through the mouth, feeling your body begin to settle into presence. With each breath, your awareness begins to soften and widen. You are not just a body. You are not just a mind. You are a field of intelligence, vast, responsive, alive. Let go of the surface of thoughts. Release the labels, stories, or symptoms. Come back to this breath, to this presence, to this awareness that watches silently. Now quietly in your mind, repeat this gentle phrase: I awaken the inner physician. Again, I awaken the inner physician. The presence within you does not diagnose. It does not judge. It only restores. It brings you back into harmony with the design of wholeness. You are not broken. You are realigning with the deeper intelligence that heals you without effort. I awaken the inner physician. Begin now to gently scan your body from the crown of your head downwards. No need to fix, only observe. As Deepak teaches, your body is a field of energy and information, not a fixed machine. Feel light pouring in, a golden awareness, like a healing nectar through the crown of your head. Going behind your forehead and eyes. Release all tension. Let the mind grow silent. The observer watches, and that alone transforms. Jaw and throat. Let the throat open. Swallow gently. Relax your voice. Say inwardly, I speak only what brings peace. letting that lesson expand out. Shoulders heavy, soft, warm. Any burden is now returning to the earth. Let go. Chest and heart. Your heart is the bridge between the infinite and the physical. Feel its rhythm beating gently, surrounded by warmth. Whisper, I trust the intelligence of my heart. Stomach, liver, gut. This is the seat of emotion. Hold it now in compassion. Your body does not need to be told what to do. It is already doing it. Just listen. Pelvis, hips, legs, knees. Bring awareness into your foundation. You are supported. You are safe. Feet and toes. Let energy gently flow out through the soles of your feet, back into the earth. Now rest in stillness. No need to visualize. No need to think. Just let the body be bathed in this field of infinite potential. You are not trying to heal. You are allowing healing to arise spontaneously, naturally, lovingly. You are not doing the healing. Awareness itself is the healer. In this moment, feel what it's like to need nothing. You may now repeat inwardly the following, allowing each phrase to ripple through your cells. Every cell in my body radiates vitality. Every cell in my body radiates vitality. The intelligence of the universe is within me. The intelligence of the universe is within me. Healing is not effort, it is remembering. Healing is not effort, it is remembering. I trust the wisdom of my body. I trust the wisdom of my body. I am whole. I am light. I am peace. I am whole. I am light. I am peace. Rest in this knowing for a minute. Begin to gently return, wiggle the fingers, feel the ground beneath you. Bring your hands to your heart, bow your head slightly, not in submission, but in reverence for the miracle of life flowing through you. And when you're ready, gently open up your eyes and remember, the healer is not separate from the healed. The awareness that watches is the field that restores. Carry this peace with you. You may return to it at any time, any moment. Namaste. If you like this meditation or practice, leave a like or a comment, or watch one of the next practices linked above now. Thank you.